Hi guys, this is Ilma from Relive, and the other day I asked in my Instagram page whether you would like to see me make chocolate chip cookie or sugar cookie wax melt. Most of you voted for chocolate chip, so I'm going to attempt to make chocolate chip cookies today. I've never done this technique before. I pre-made some chocolate wax, which I'm going to chop them up now to be mixed into the cookie batter. So let's do that now while my wax cools. It can be broken easily, actually. Should I leave it as these chunks or chop them up more? I think I'll have to chop them up more. Chips. Alright, I'm going to cut them into halves like that. I wonder if it is still big. Should be okay. Okay, so we have the chocolate chips. So let's get them out of the way. Alright. I'm actually thinking whether to put some bars sticking out like that on the chip. Let's decide that later. Alright. This is our wax. It's still very warm to the touch. I'll be stirring them occasionally till it cools down. It's gonna take some time. Maybe I'll speed you all till it's the right consistency. The wax is starting to cool down now, and I'm using white chocolate fragrance today, but the wax is still warm for my fragrance. Okay, it's still very warm. I'm gonna bring you back once it's time for making the cookies. After adding the fragrance, I usually like to mix it for a good 2 to 3 minutes to make sure the fragrance oil is fully incorporated with the wax. If you skip this step, what can happen is once the wax is made, the fragrance oil can seep through it. Alright, what I forgot is to add color. The batter is almost ready, but it's white. So I'm going to add a little bit of brown. This is my wax color block. And I'm going to add a tiniest bit of brown. And because I want more of a tan color. Okay, and I'm gonna heat that a bit and I'll be back. Okay, so let's mix in the color. Okay, the batter is almost ready. And I'm gonna let it cool down a bit more, and I'll bring you back. Okay, the cookie dough is almost ready, and I'm going to add the chocolate chips now. And give them a good mix. Okay. I clearly need more chocolate chips. I'm going to be chopping them up real quick. Okay, make sure this doesn't harden up. Okay. Chop, chop, chop. Okay. And now for the wax itself. It's perfect. Shall I just scoop down some? Oh, I wanted to scoop. Maybe I'll grab a spatula. Alright. Let's see. It's not hot anymore. So what I might do is this off. And grab this. Does this work? Somewhat. Alright. And now I'm going to make them a bit perfect. And I'm going to drop some chocolate chips. They're chocolate chip cookies. No chocolate chip cookies without chocolate chips. Alright, let's get them all in fast before they all dry out. Let's get them all in there. More chocolate chips, the better. And now, yes, glitter. I'm gonna add some white glitter. Everything looks better with glitter. Okay, they're done. Thank you.